welcome back. As you saw from the title, I'm going to be using a straightening brush on my natural hair to, see if it works. Now, I got my straightening brush from Glam Fields. They did send this to me, but this video is not sponsored. But I am going to be using this straightening brush today. And I have used this before. If you guys watched my steam straightening video, I mentioned that I may go in with a straightening brush to help straighten my hair further, because you guys saw that my hair didn't really take that well to the steam straightener. So I went in with this brush on top of hair that had already previously been somewhat straightened, and it did a really good job. So now we're gonna really put it to the test, and I'm starting on hair that I just braided up and let dry overnight. And most of the day, and it was still kind of wet, so I sat underneath my hooded dryer on low heat for about an hour, and now it's completely dry. So I'm gonna try to straighten my hair from this state to see how well this actually works. So I just turned it on. You just hold the power button to turn it on. The straightening brush has 12 heat settings. The lowest is 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and then the highest is 450 degrees. So I am going to be setting mine to 390 for now. That is what I used it on when I straightened my hair with it after using the steam straightener. So I might need more heat this time, but go ahead and start sectioning my hair. And the box comes with the user manual, a carrying case, a traveling case, and a little brush to clean the straightener with, and a glove, a heat glove. And I actually am going to use the heat glove this time because I noticed that with the straightening brush, it's kind of a bit harder to get my ends. So I need to be able to get my ends as close to the hot plate of the brush, which is like, it's the inside, it's this back part here of the brush. That's where the heat is coming from. So you want your hair to be touching that part of the brush to get it as straight as possible. So to get my ends to touch this part, I'm gonna put the glove on so I can like press my ends up against that. This feels weird already because I like feeling my hair when I'm doing it. So I did put some leave-in products in my hair before I braided it up last night. I'm gonna take this glove off for right now so I can actually feel what I'm doing. But yeah, I put some leave-in products in my hair last night, but I am going to add some more stuff. I will link everything that I used already down in the description box. I'm gonna take some more of my Garnier Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum, just a pump of it because I already put plenty of it in my hair last night. And apply that to the hair. And I'm gonna spray some more of my Cream of Nature Anti-Humidity Gloss and Shine Mist. I also sprayed some of this in my hair last night. Some heat protectant, the Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat Flat Iron Protection Spray into my hair as well. I feel like I put a lot of products in my hair last night, so hopefully my hair don't come out like oily, but and way down, but we'll see. So I'm gonna take pretty small sections to give it its best shot. I've been seeing straightening brushes floating around for a while now, and I just felt like for me they probably wouldn't give me anything more than like a sleek, blown out look. So that's what I am expecting my results to be like. But it did a real good job on my hair that was previously straightened, so it straightened it like super well, so we'll see. Kind of excited. So as you can see, I'm just going in and detangling with my rat tail comb. Before I go in with the brush. And I am planning to do 2 passes. One past with the brush on top of my hair and went past with the brush on the bottom of my hair, since it's not a flat iron. It doesn't have two hot plates. The hot plate is just on the back of the brush. So I'm putting my gloves back on. And the back of the brush doesn't really even get super hot, so that's a good thing. But this feels so weird. I forgot how I used it. Okay, so. Ooh. Pretty slow. I think I'm gonna take this glove off, y'all. I might just have to burn my hand because I need to be able to feel what's going on. Now, what I found when I was using it last time is that you want to kind of press the side of the brush up against your root area, because that's what's going to help to kind of smooth your root area a bit more. And the side of it isn't like super hot or anything, so shouldn't really hurt. Products in my hair, but because it feels a little weighed down. But anyway, I'm gonna keep doing the rest of my head the same way that I did that section, and let you guys watch me do this back section here. I'm gonna try to do a section that's a little bit larger just to see if it can handle it. Because if so, that's great. It's gonna save me some time. Yep. That section was bigger than the other one, y'all. Did a pretty good job. So I can use bigger sections. So here's what it's looking like so far. In the future, I would definitely go through and probably blow dry my hair using the tension method beforehand, because this detangling as I go thing is hell. But as y'all can see, if you wanted to just let your hair air dry and go straight in with the brush without going in with your blow dryer, it looks like it does a pretty good job. This looks like I use a flat iron to straighten it. And yeah, that's saying a lot. And it's only on $3.90. Now we're gonna have to see how these ends are looking at the end. They're not looking too bad right now, but we'll see once I'm done. Okay, y'all, this is what it's looking like right now. Like, besides me having used too much product in my hair, it looks really good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my head, and I will come back to you guys with my final results and my thoughts on the straightening brush. Okay, y'all, I am finally done, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tell y'all now, I love my results. Now, the results were pretty consistent with how it was when I used my steam straightener, when I used this, which I'm kind of shocked by because you guys know I did not blow dry my hair prior to using this brush straightener. So it had a tough job ahead of it, straightening my hair from that state. So it did a really good job. I would definitely use this again, like how I used it today. I know earlier I said I would probably blow dry my hair first, but I actually wouldn't mind like just braiding my hair up and letting the air dry overnight and then straightening my hair with this brush again in the future, because it did a really good job. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, there is still a bit of texture in my hair, but for the most part, it is pretty straight. I put too much product in my hair, like I said earlier, so don't mind it if it looks a little weighed down, a little greasy, but yeah, it looks textured, like just a textured kind of straight look. Now, two things about the straightener that you would kind of expect with this type of straightener is that it's not really able to get my roots as best as possible. As you can see, they're still a bit wavy, but I honestly don't mind that. It's not really a big deal to me because you can't really tell, and no one should be all up in my head like that anyway to see that it's still a little wavy up in there. But as I told you guys, the best way that I've found to get them as straight as possible is to like literally take the brush and stick your hair into it and like just turn it like this so that the sides are like brushing up against the roots, and then you just pass it against the roots a couple times like that, and it'll get them more smooth. And also, this isn't that great at getting your ends, which I told you guys that would probably be a thing, but I think it still did a pretty decent job. They're not super straight, but they're also not still, you know, curly either. I feel like once I start wrapping my hair, then they'll get a bit more straightened. And also, I wanted to mention that I know earlier I showed you guys that I was detangling with my rat tail comb first and then going in with my straightener, but I couldn't do that because my hair was dry and in a shrunken state, so I don't think that's I didn't like it how it felt. It felt like I was like ripping out my hair, so I was like, nah, I need to stop doing that. So what I did was I would go in and detangle each section with a wide tooth comb, and then I would go in with my straightener, which is actually pretty good at detangling. And of course, if I ran into a snag while I was straightening, I didn't like yank it through. I would just kind of like, you know, like how you would comb or brush, just go like that with the straightener just to make sure I was getting through the tangles. And then once I did one pass, the first pass on top of my hair, I would go in with my rat tail comb and actually detangle the section because it was a lot easier for me to detangle it like that. And then I would do my second pass underneath as I showed you guys earlier. So that's how I ended up straightening the rest of my hair because I found that worked best for me. So if you have like a similar texture and curl pattern to mine, then that may be the best way to go about straightening your hair with this straightener. But I definitely recommend this straightener. I believe it costs about $42. If that is incorrect, I will correct myself on the screen, but that's how much I believe it costs. And I think it's sold on Amazon, but of course I will include the link down in the description box for anybody who is interested in trying out this straightener. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and show you guys my hair. Alright guys, that is all. As I said, I will leave a link down in the description box for anybody who is interested in trying out the straightener. And as usual, feel free to leave any questions you may have down in the comment section below. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.